Hello everyone. For the AirMouse RC01V, this model is without AirMouse, and RC10F is with AirMouse. So first, this is our mass-produced model. This toolkit is RR linear, so we can study like the TV button and the other set-top box button, so we can control other devices by our remote control. This is a microphone and microphone button. This is the mouse model, and this is the number button 120. This is dot. So when we input the website www dot, and with the number button we can, when we watch the TV program, we can search and we can input the channel number. Also, this is the home button, return button. This is the menu button. This is the navigation. This is the OK button. For this 4 button A, B, C, D, we can customize for customer like A, B, C, D. This is a shortcut button, like we can customize for OEM order. When customer press A, it will go to Netflix. Press B, will go to the YouTube. When press C, will go to Amazon Prime Video, and D will go to other devices. So this shortcut we can choose for any customization shortcut. Also, the volume adjust button like often is have the side, so it's very easy to control voice up and down. So for this AirMouse, for this voice remote control without fly mouse model, we call the RC01V with voice. RC01F is with voice and with AirMouse. So now I will show it's how to work with the TV. Now it's with the AirMouse. So it have anti-shake function. So it's the mouse model is used a very good AirMouse model. So we can also like press the mouse button, then it will go to the mouse model. So like okay, and our voice remote control is support Google Assistant, and also it can work with the device with like laptop and projector and Windows Act OS, Linux OS. So now I'm mainly sure it work how it work with the Android TV. So like this TV box have installed Android TV OS. So we can press the microphone button. So we can press the microphone button. Okay, Google, turn on YouTube. Set a timer 10 minutes meter. What's the weather tomorrow? Go back home. Play a song. Play a song. So now we can listen the other hello the music from the the YouTube. What can you do?
Hello? Can you hear me now?
Open Netflix. Open Play Store. So you can see when I speak with the remote control and it's very easily recognized by the TV. So because we use the high spec the microphone with this used as for the microphone. So it will recognize your voice very easy. So everyone, also some customer ask me for if without Google Assistant how it can work. It also can work with the Google search, like we can use download like the Google Now launcher and Google search install the normal TV box. So we can press the microphone button, and it can also use the on the normal Android TV box. Also, like we can post,
My apologies, I don't understand.
Also we can like test and call me, like we can speak to Facebook and Twitter and Skype. It will recognize what we see. Also some customer ask me what's the language is supported. It's support what wide language because it's based if for Android TV is for wide language because it's based the Google language. So no matter which country you are come from, it's the language is all support. So we can see we are support below language. Spanish, English, France, all the worldwide language included by Google. So and I can try with the Chinese. 你好 So it's will 你好 打开电视 我饿了 So you can see it's also support the Chinese